Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vegan white sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of vegan butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1.5 cups of unsweetened, unflavored plant-based milk, such as soy or oat milk. Also, have your salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg ready. This simple sauce is incredibly versatile and forms the base for many comforting dishes, from mac and cheese to creamy pasta sauces. Now, let's create the foundation of our sauce, the roux. In a medium saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of vegan butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir continuously for about 1 to 2 minutes. This step is crucial as it cooks out the raw flour taste and ensures a smooth, lump-free sauce. The roux should be a pale, golden color, not browned, to maintain the white color of our final sauce. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in 1.5 cups of cold plant-based milk, whisking continuously to avoid any lumps. The cold milk helps prevent the flour from clumping. Keep whisking over medium heat. The sauce will gradually thicken as it comes to a gentle simmer. Once it reaches your desired consistency, usually within 5 to 7 minutes, remove it from the heat and stir in 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg for depth. Here are some tips and variations to elevate your vegan white sauce. If your sauce is too thick, simply whisk in a little more plant-based milk until it reaches your desired consistency. For a cheesy flavor, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. You can also enhance the savory profile with 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder or onion powder. This versatile sauce is perfect for pasta, casseroles, or as a base for gravies. Enjoy your homemade, creamy, and delicious vegan white sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.